And it's coming down again. Yeah, close off the road. Look at that. Yeah, close off the road. I didn't even bother sweeping my driveway or cleaning the driveway so I can get out. You know, closed off my road, so now I got to figure out a way to get around here. I just drive over it. It's pretty deep in some spots. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Messing up my baller shoes. Look at that, right. Oh, ain't bad in some places, but it's pretty good stuff. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got me a new welder, and we're gonna start setting it up and see how I can start TIG welding at the house and practicing here. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. And if you like this video, share it with your friends. So, and still, yes, if you are interested in a hat, there is a link down below. I also have some Boosted Lucille t-shirts of the car. So if you would like one, just check out the link down below and we'll definitely get you one shipped out. All right, so today, or tonight, or whenever this is posted, we're gonna go over this welder, see if I can set it up. Right. Recommended by Turbo John himself. We got a WeldPro. This is a stick / TIG. So we're gonna try to get it set up. I bought it right off Amazon. Or you can go to the website directly and pick it up, but it's the same price. Now they do have one that is a TIG, MIG, and stick. I was gonna get that one. However, that one, the TIG portion of it does not come with a foot pedal. So when I called, the guy basically said that it was a lift type TIG. So pretty much you start your arc and you just go with whatever you set it at, which may have been good, but I wanted something where I could control my heat. So what I'm gonna do is I need to get a cart, get this thing set up somewhere, and actually start cleaning up in here so I can actually get this thing rolling around instead of getting it set and set it still. And now I think I'm gonna put it on my shelf over here to clean this off, put it in between, like right in here. Get it there, since I'm gonna be practicing right here while I got that set up too. Let me clean all this junk off up here, get rid of all of that and all that junk off over there. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get this, see if we can get this set up. All right, so this is where the connection for your foot plug or your pedal goes here. This is your grounding strap right here. And this is gonna be from our TIG. You have to go in here. From a TIG spot's gonna go in here. These are all your controls. I haven't even turned it on yet. So I'm gonna get into it, look at it, and see what the initial settings should be. Now it has a 220 connector, but it also comes with an adapter, so I can switch it down to 110 right here. I'll switch it down to 110. You got a stick connection if I decide to do stick welding. And here goes my arc right here. So 3 different tungstens that they have here that came in the WeldPro kit: blue and brown. From what I understand and from what I've been told by my good buddies here, is that brown is not used for DC welding, which is what I'm going to be doing here, DC. And so the blue one would be ideal for stainless and DC welding and pretty good application. So I need to actually grind this down to a point first. All right, so let's see how I'm going to do that. I got the collet body installed. Right, so next, from what I understand, on the back side is get the collet and right here. I believe this is what holds the tungsten in, right? So get that and just drop it in. Okay, now we just put the back end on, but you don't. Not gonna tighten it up all the way just yet. Then I think from what the directions say is start off with a number 6 here. I should get this, put this bad boy on. There we go. Now next, all right, here we go. So on my TIG process, I need to move the grounding strap from, so they're going to be welding DC. My grounding strap is going to be my positive cable from what I understand. And then just the negative cable here. Here, then we put the grounding strap, which is that, over here on the positive one. I got my TIG torch hooked up. All right, so we're about to go ahead and turn this bad boy on and play with the controls on the front here. So all right, she is on. She's on DC. Okay, she's on 2T. She's on TIG already. So let's go back to my start amps. Let's go with pre-flow first. Pre-flow, I'm gonna set that at 0.3 seconds. All right. And starting amps is 0.5. Slope amps, I'm gonna set at 0. I'm not doing any pulsing. Down slope, you set at 0. Auto should be 0. Just for my basic in. Wait a minute, hold up. We'll go back to peak amps. Peak amps, I'm gonna turn up to 120 for peak amps. Hopefully it'll be good here at the house. Shouldn't need that. All right, slope is on 0. I'm using my foot pedal. Start amps will be 5 amps. Pre-flow is 0.3 seconds. Max amps. Down slope is 0. Make sure my other slope 0. Yes, down slope is 0. In amps is gonna be 5. Pros flow, I'm gonna turn that up to about, I'm gonna use 4 seconds on mine for right now. I think 3 will be okay when I use 4. All right. Okay. Whoa, way high. Close it a little bit. My flow around 13. Not 13, around 15. I think it's around 15. Yeah. All right. Everything's set. All right, here we go. I'm about to see how good of a bead I'm gonna lay on this stainless right here. Feel hopefully. I got it real hot, but I think I filled it. Well, first ones kind of look like crap, but hey, it's not bad for the first one. Right here is where it's hot, so right here is where I had the hole at, but I kind of filled it in just to see if I could. And I started off okay. It's a little hot up here, but not bad. Not bad. I'm kind of impressed with what I did so far. Look at that. Trying to start to lay them nickels in there, but then it got a little too hot. I got to watch my foot pedal, but not bad. So I'm gonna flip it over and see if I can continue on doing it. So guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And man, hopefully all this weather move on and we can clear up and get back to racing. And so we'll see. All right, you guys, have a good one. We'll see you next time. I'm Booster Loose here.
You trying to fall? No, ice skating. Let's go. Shut Stop moving. Stop moving your feet. What does he wet in the snow?